Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram to get more views, more subscribers on other platforms. So let's get started. So what you first do is you click on the setting and then you go to creator. Now when you get to creator, you click on saved replies. When you click on saved replies, this is what it will look like. You want to click on new saved reply. And I always use the first letter of what I want to say, which is like thank you. So I put a T in there and then I just put my message, whatever I want to tell the person that has joined me or started following me. So this is what it looks like. Now let me show you an example of different scenarios. So when someone starts following you, once in a while you go to their page, their profile page, and you see no messages area, so you can send them a message. And then sometimes maybe you've already corresponded with the person and you already see messages, so there's no need to say thank you again. So this is another scenario where I have not corresponded with the person. This is the first time, so I click on message and I just type T. It doesn't have to be case sensitive, just type T and click on that speech image right there and my message automatically shows up there. I hope this has helped you and please feel free to subscribe. Thanks, bye.